So guys, I am actually, oh, that's my recycling. Send options of how I can manage recycling in this house because wow, I'm actually a plant mom, you know. Just watering my plant, guys, and I just thought I'll take you through the process. I tend to take it to the sink. I need to name this plant actually. People name their plants. I'm thinking of buying a Kentia palm for my hallway. I'll let you know. It's gonna cost me at least 140, but I really want it because I want to have like a bench and a mirror in the hallway with my Kentia plum plant. Yeah, I love this. This plant is growing, but I need to kind of give it some love. I need to see new flowers popping though. And then over here, I'm working. Over here, I've got this. I can never pronounce this plant, but I also love it. It's flourishing, this one. But I think the placement of my plants is just not right in this house. I need to buy like standalone planters because so I can like place them elsewhere besides windows. Yeah, this one isn't doing too well this week. I need to give it some love. Oh baby, are you okay? I haven't given you love at all. I talk to my plants, by the way. I've only got 2 of them, but like I talk to them. Oh darling, are you having a bit of a hard week? What's happening to you, baby? Oh, don't die on me. I love you so much. I know we haven't spoken in a week, I think, but I'm here. I'm here. Oh, my plants. I was thinking that actually when I travel, what am I going to do? You know, like when I go back home, who's going to water my plants? I'm going to have to give one of my neighbors my key because this is mad. It's mad crazy. Let's give this one a bit more water. I think it will love it. I think it needs a bit of a spritz. I need to buy like a spritzer thing. This watering indoor can was actually gifted to me by my girl D. Absolutely love it. Check out my wine rack. It's not even a wine rack at the moment. It's a alcohol rack. I'm thinking of getting like a bar cart to put like my gin on. I have like a gin collection. Guys, I have story time for this. I have a story time for this. This was drank in one day by one person, undiluted. And what follows after that is a mad story. Anyway, guys, let me get back to work because well, I just got to Tesco to do like my weekly shop. I'm just remembering to take these reusable bags to Tesco for my shop. Yeah, and I'll see you guys when I do finish my shopping. Guys, so finally I've had a delivery this morning for my bedside tables, which I've been wanting to buy for a minute. Can't wait to open them and unbox them, but yeah, here they are. Let us unbox my Kiehl's parcel. I look shady, but happy Friday. It is what it is. Just finished work actually. Ordered more Kiehl's. Kiehl's, is it Kiehl's or Kiehl's? Kiehl's, I guess. Kiehl's. I ordered more Kiehl's. I just love packaging from Kiehl's. It's just, yeah, I don't know if we need all these big boxes, Kiehl's, but I don't know. You know better. How did I open it last time? Oh yeah, from the top. From the top. There's a song that says that, isn't it? Yeah. Love unboxing a Kiehl's package. Kiehl's 1851 Fine Apothecary Skincare. Thank you for order. I always love like a personalized feel. Don't I just love this? So I went for a gift, like a kit, cleanse and hydrate kit to start with because I just thought, you know what, let me go for something much more smaller in case I don't like it. So yeah, that's what I went for. And then I ordered a couple of samples as well. I think it always gives you like 4 samples, but I went for 3. So I went for this calendula or calendula, or I don't know, serum infused water cream, and the wash as well. My girl D has the wash. I tried it at her house and it was really nice. then the same cleanser of this. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm excited for it. Let me show you it fully. There we go. These are new products. These are new products. How cute. Love unboxing skincare, guys. Like, I could really get used to all this unboxing of skincare. I'm also going to leave it in there for my content for the timeline to see what I want to do with the box and all sorts for promotion and yeah, and influence as well. Who knows, guys? Like, how dope does that mirror look, and how great is the aesthetic from? So the mirror is from H&M. It's £8.99. That's it up close. You can play around with it, you know, all sorts. Love it. For shaving, all sorts of things. Really love it. So so the next step is to get rid of that caddy that I use to house things that I use a lot. Let me get closer so that you guys can see things that I reach for loads. My masks, my anacatellos, my toners, masking brush, my daily perfume, which I haven't used in a while because these days I use my things, okay? All sorts of things that I use like that. So I'm gonna get rattan basket from West Elm that I've been eyeing, and I'm gonna place it on there, and then I'm gonna leave the towels, like my white guest towels, on there, and then at the bottom I'll have another rattan basket on there. Then I'll show you guys the full final look. I'm super excited about the bathroom and how it's coming along. It's actually quite late at night. I've just been taking my shower. And as you can see, the bags, I'm tired. I'm gonna do my skincare and then I'll catch up with you tomorrow, Saturday. So guys, this is like my skincare regime. Like, this is my skincare regime at the moment. I am even serious about my lips. This is where you find me at nighttime, guys. This is life. This is really life. So at night, I will alternate now at the moment between that. Oh God, my hand is tired. So I'll obviously cleanse first. So I'll have that, and then I'll have this, and then now I've added this. You guys saw me unboxing that. Then the Clinique Moisture Surge, and then the Ginseng Origins moisturizer as well. It's so good. I really love it. Then I use this Mirrored for sunscreen as well. I'm so in love. Tonight, for my bedtime fragrance, this is how I look after skincare. Oily. I think for my bedtime fragrance tonight, I'm going with the favorite from Penaligons. Guys, it's about to be a popping night because the lady is having this bottle. Just because, if you know, you know. Morning, guys. It's Sunday today. I'm currently making some sausages to make a roll for breakfast. I'm not brunching this weekend. Let me show you. This is my recycling situation. So these are the sausages that I'm having. I'm gonna do 2 of them in a roll, and then the rest of them I'm gonna keep for later. I'm thinking of making oxtail and sadza. There's my oxtail there, and sadza in the evening. I'll see like how I'm feeling. Skin glowing in it. Skin glowing. Yeah, I'm actually hanging this morning from the champagne last night, guys. Like, wow. But like, it's good. It's a good hang. It is a good hang. Anyway, chat later, guys. This vlog is actually about to end. What a waste of a vlog. Sometimes I literally have nothing to do, guys. This is what this weekend was like. It was home and chill, do nothing kind of Saturday. I'm about to do my skincare, so I think I'll show you that, and then maybe have lunch. Maybe I'll drag it till dinner so I can show you the Saturday oxtail if it happens. Could possibly show you how the bed is kind of looking. Got the side tables that I've been raving about and posting about on my Instagram. I need to be decorating this bedroom because, wow, chandelier, lampshade is coming soon. I've ordered my bedside lamp, and yeah, they're gonna come soon, and I'll give you guys a tour. Yeah, what's up. Didn't work out this morning because I was tired. Period. Actually, let me unbox something else that I got from Amazon for you guys. I started getting useless shite from Amazon. Let me unbox silicone ice cube trays. A bit, yeah, how amazing are they? Round eyes, square eyes, so cool. I'm so excited, literally so excited. Yeah, I'll be making drinks. I'll be making drinks this summer. Drinks. I got this for £12 from Amazon. It's 2 of them. Let me unbox them so we see what they look like. Here's the little camera manual. That's so cool. Love that. Look at that, you guys. These ones have a bit of some art to them. So you pour the water in there, and then you close it, and then you pour some more water using the funnel, and then you put it in the freezer. Guess you are not ready. My drinks, I'm gonna be looking something like that. Whiskey drinkers, I got you. Gin drinkers, I got you. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna get some straws to get with these new aesthetics that I'm, having in this house. Anyway, later, guys, I'm about to make some oxtail as I promised earlier. These are my ingredients for my oxtail. We've got thyme, we've got bay leaf, we've got jumbo chicken cube, garlic, red onion, some puree, some coriander powder, some paprika, love that, some garam masala, Maggi, spice up your life, liquid seasoning, some Cabernet Sauvignon from for the red for the oxtail, some oyster sauce, some chopped tomatoes, some oregano, some basil. That's our concoction for some good oxtail. For control, I will add a bit of beef royco. Yeah, I always do. I love this 2 bits. So first things first, we're gonna boil some water to dissolve the cube. Guys, here's our oxtail. This is how it came out. Yummers. Yum. End of vlog, guys. It's ending here. I'm so sorry that this vlog was so weird, so short, so random, so weird. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching the vlogs and the love that you give them, even behind the scenes. I appreciate it. I'm actually down from a migraine. It's Monday. I'm ending this vlog today. I'm about to upload it. Don't mind this week. I've got a migraine. Ugh, life is happening right now. I'm over it. But happy Monday, happy new week, and speak to you later.